Hello guys, welcome to this video. I'll be looking at activity 14C. The question says, open the file you saved in activity 14A. Save this file as activity 14C. Okay, so let me just go and do that first before I continue. So I'm going to go to my activity folders. I want to open activity 14A. I want to save it. Go to file and then save as. I want to save it as activity 14C. Okay, so let me just have it as activity 14C right there. Okay, that good. So let's see the rest of the questions. Okay, so edit and update. So the keyword is edit and update the content of the footer. Okay, so let me see the footer actually. So this is the footer here. So as you can see here, the footer here is the activity. This is activity 14. So we want to make it activity 14C. So I'm just gonna write that activity 14C. So that's that. I can use a field. Would have set it as field path, but let me leave it like that. So I've done that. The time is correct and the date is correct here. Okay, so I think that is done. So create, store, and apply the following styles to the bulleted list in this document. So let's look at list one now. List level one. So let's go. So this is the list here. Okay. So the first level list. Okay. So I'm going to select the first level. I want to hold down my control key now to select this second one here. Second part. Okay, so this selects the whole of the first level list, right? So it has to be sans serif. Sorry, it has to be serif font, please, and then 12 point. So serif font times New Roman. Okay, it's already in 12 points, so I'm good with that. So the next is to in the left indentation has to be 1.5 to the left. Okay, so I want to go to my dialog box launcher of the paragraph group. So I want to make the before text, the indentation before text, I want to make it 1.5. 1.5. Okay. Okay, that. And then what's next? So I have bulleted list with arrows. Sorry, with arrow. Okay. So I need to make it a bullet list with arrow. So I'll take this, which is fine with me. So the line spacing has to be single. Spacing before and after has to be zeros. Okay, so line spacing single. So let me do that. Line spacing here is already single. Spacing before and after, they're all zeros. So I'm good with that. So all the styles here attached to this first level list. So I want to save it. So I want to go to styles group, create. So I want to have it as list underscore level 1. So I'll okay that. So it has taken, I've saved the style now. Okay, so the level 2 list. So serif font. So the font face is serif. Of course, the font size 12 points. So let me just go check that out. So first of all, I need to select it. So this is the second level. Okay, so I want to make sure it's in Times New Roman, which is a serif font. Okay, so left indentation has to be 3 points, 3 cm. Sorry. So let me just be doing them one after another. So I want to have 3 here, and then okay that. The next one is so this is taken care of. So the list type has to be bulleted list with square bullets. Okay, so I need to go to this place, and then I have to check on this, and then it is already square. Okay, so this is done. So single line spacing, zero spacing before and after. So I need to make sure that is taken care of. Okay, so I have single line spacing here, 0 and after spacing. So before and after 0, 0. So I'm good. So I'll okay that. I want to save that. I want to save the style. Make sure that the text is selected. So I'll have a list underscore level 2, L2, sorry, L2 this time. So I'm going to okay that. Okay. What's the next thing? So save the file with a new name. So I'm going to save it as the activity 14 C, obviously. So I think that's about it. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video and share. Thanks so much. I will see you in the next one.